Hi, I'm Sam. I'm a Mechatronics Engineer at UXV Technologies. UXV Technologies is a leading supplier of ground control stations delivered to their customers on their specifications and their branding. In this video, we're going to show you the G2Nav. It's the largest and most dynamic of our ground control stations. So the unit that you see here is our development kit. It consists of two 21.5-inch capacitive touchscreens, each of them having 1,500 nits. The computer is fanless and runs Intel on either Windows or Linux operating systems. The entire unit closes up and is then IP66, and we also have 4 legs underneath it that can be easily stowed away for transport. So in terms of peripherals, what you see here is the dev kit configuration. Over on the left, we have an Ethernet, HDMI, 3 times USB ports. We have a single axis throttle on the left. In the center, we have a fully functional keyboard, and we also have a nice large storage compartment. Over on the right, we also have a 3-axis joystick, and we have a 6-axis space mouse. In terms of powering this unit, it runs off either AC mains or 12 to 28 volts DC input. If the power input is removed, the entire unit can last for up to 1 hour on its own internal battery. If you'd like to know more, please visit us at uxvtechnologies.com.